What if there was a simple drink that could keep you young? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But what if it's not? Welcome to the realm of the extraordinary, where the ordinary transforms into the magical. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of a humble, earthy vegetable, the beetroot. Now you might be wondering, how can a simple beetroot hold the key to youth? A recent study featured by Times of India suggests that the beetroot may be more than meets the eye. A glass of beetroot juice, it seems, might just be the elixir we've all been seeking. This study suggests that the ruby red potion derived from this vegetable may hold anti-aging properties among its numerous other benefits. An everyday root vegetable, a common sight in salads and soups, might just be a ticket to a healthier, longer and youthful life. But hold on to your hats, for this is just the beginning. The humble beetroot has many more secrets to reveal. So prepare yourself for a magical journey through the extraordinary benefits of this seemingly ordinary vegetable. The Fountain of Youth. Ever dreamt of drinking from the mythical Fountain of Youth? Well, beetroot juice might just be your ticket. This crimson elixir is brimming with anti-aging benefits. It's a nourishing cocktail of vitamins and antioxidants that helps keep your skin glowing and reduces wrinkles. Imagine sipping your way to a more youthful appearance, all while enjoying the earthy sweetness of fresh beets. So, the secret to a youthful appearance might just be hiding in your kitchen. The Red Dynamo. Beetroot juice isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. When you exercise, your brain's somatomotor cortex helps process information from your muscles. Exercise can make this part of your brain stronger. The study found, if you drink beetroot juice before exercising, it helps deliver more oxygen to your brain, creating a better environment to strengthen the somatomotor cortex, a region of the brain responsible for planning, controlling, and executing voluntary movements. After exercising, a study found that the group who drank beetroot juice had much higher levels of certain compounds, nitrates and nitrites, in their blood compared to the group that didn't drink it, showing the beetroot juice helped even more. Not only does it keep you youthful, but it also has a host of other impressive advantages. It's like a red cape superhero swooping in to lower your blood pressure. It's like a friendly neighborhood plumber, improving your digestion. It's a personal cheerleader, boosting your stamina, and a wise guru supporting your brain health. Beetroot juice, the Red Dynamo, is more than just a pretty color. It's a health hero in disguise. Drink to your health. It's time to raise a glass to beetroot juice, the unsung hero of the health world. This vibrant red elixir, humble and earthy, is brimming with benefits that can transform your health. The study we're discussing today, for instance, suggests that beetroot juice could be a veritable fountain of youth, its anti-aging properties working subtly to keep you feeling young and sprightly. But that's not all. This juice is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a host of other impressive benefits. It's been linked to enhanced stamina, better brain health, and improved digestion, among other things. It's even thought to help lower blood pressure, and the best part, it's simple to incorporate into your daily routine. A glass in the morning perhaps, or as an afternoon pick-me-up. So let's raise our glasses and indulge in the magic of beetroot juice. A modest drink that, according to this study, could be the secret to health and vitality. So here's to health, vitality, and the magic of beetroot juice. The simple drink that may just keep you young and vibrant. As we conclude our journey through the intriguing Beetroot Chronicles, it's a moment to reflect and ponder. We've adventured through the lively world of beetroot juice, a true fountain of youth, and a red dynamo loaded with health benefits. We've delved into underscores its tremendous potential in promoting longevity, essentially acting as a powerful anti-aging agent. Here it's worth mentioning the noteworthy study focusing on the benefits of nitrates present in beetroot juice. Nitrates, being vital components that our body converts into nitric oxide, play a significant role in brain health. The study concluded that these nitrates, upon consumption, enhance the blood flow to the brain, leading to improved cognitive functionalities. This, in turn, contributes to the betterment of memory, attention, and the overall mental agility. Beetroot juice is a testament to nature's wonders and the importance of a balanced diet. We've admired its capability to boost stamina, lower blood pressure, and even brain health. It's crystal clear that this simple earth-grown vegetable, when metamorphosed into a tantalizing juice, can become a robust ally in our pursuit of wellness. But let's bear in mind, comrades, that beetroot juice is merely a single piece of the larger puzzle. A healthy lifestyle is a harmonious symphony of balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and mental well-being. And always remember, the secret to youth and vitality could just a glass of beetroot juice away. So why not give it a whirl? After all, who could have predicted that the elixir of youth could taste so delightful? Thank you for watching and stay healthy. Stay.